markets quietly lower as we head into positioning day. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, December the 9th. Well, we are what we would be positioning day, as we have the FOMC tomorrow. Why we're making such a big deal of such a stupid decision, that I have no idea. But we are setting up, and I think you'll see positions being set up for the FOMC. The thought is that they're going to cut rates again, which would be absolutely moronic, as it will send inflation skyrocketing, which we already have an inflation problem. I think there is one stock maybe to look at, though, if you're looking to make a trade. You might want to look at if Netflix can give you a buy signal. I think it's pretty extended to the downside. Look for it to hold, look for it to maybe blow off, and then look to be a potential buyer. I mean, that's up to you, but it's something that I would look at. In the meantime, the markets themselves are mixed to lower today, as they were yesterday, and not a lot to do. Again, I think there's not going to be any real action until after Jerome Powell speaks tomorrow. But in the meantime, as I said, they are mixed to lower, and of course the dollar is higher. If we did trade it, we'd be short. The euro currency is lower. Notes and bonds are flat, but if you've noticed, in front of the rate cut, the notes continue to go lower, which means that interest rates continue to go higher. And of course, if we go back to when the Fed cut rates initially, with the 10 years continue to go up almost every day, which is, again, doesn't help you. It doesn't help the borrower. I think it's a problem, and I think we're all falling into the con game of the Fed. In the meantime, Bitcoin is lower. Gold, silver, platinum are all slightly higher. Copper is lower after having a huge move, and maybe this is just a rest that it's going to go take off again. Grain markets are mixed. You do have a WASDE report today, so we'll see what that does to the grain markets. If I were going to take a shot, I would certainly take a shot to the long side. Cattle was lower yesterday. Hogs were higher. I think it's time to look to sell cattle again and flat hogs. Nat gas is back down, and as we thought and said on Friday, we thought that blow off was the end, and we expect it to come down. So we'll see if they continue to work their way lower. Crude oil is flat, and again, I think crude oil has a big chance to go lower as well. In the meantime, again, it's really positioning day, and it's going to be slow, it's quiet, it's hard to trade. So for my money, I would only look for something that was very much extended in one way or the other before I'd get too involved. And of course, remember our sponsors, TRADIER Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program, and have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday.
Joy of Mom is a platform to connect mothers everywhere with trusted information, practical tools, and a vibrant, family-focused community.
Gold IQ Group, the smartest minds in metals, for all of your precious metals needs.
Capital Trading Group, the introducing broker for serious futures traders.
TRADIER, options trading starting at $10 per month, flat fee.